Long ago, in the red-soiled village of Umuokoro, lived two brothers, born from the same father but different mothers. The elder was Onyebuchi, whose name meant "who is like God." He was calm, thoughtful, and slow to anger. The younger was Onyemaki, which means "who knows tomorrow." He was quick-tempered, proud, and always hungry for praise. Though they shared the same blood, their mothers poured different waters into their ears. Onyebuchi's mother taught him patience and humility. She would often say, "The river that makes no noise is the deepest." But Onyemaki's mother filled his heart with rivalry, whispering, "A man must rise above his brother to be seen." When their father passed away, the village elders gathered. They entrusted the brothers with their late father's vast farmland and the sacred palm grove. They warned them that peace would bring abundance, but greed would surely invite ruin. Almost immediately, Onyemaki demanded the larger share of the land. He openly mocked Onyebuchi's quiet nature, mistaking his silence for weakness. Onyebuchi simply watched, his heart heavy. One moonless night, consumed by envy, Onyemaki crept into the sacred palm grove. He believed the wine from the most ancient palm tree would make him rich beyond measure. With his machete, he secretly cut it down, its spirit groaning as it fell. But he didn't know that the spirits of the land were watching his every move. At dawn, a shadow fell over Umuokoro. The skies darkened without a single cloud. The yams in the fields began to wither, and the great river that fed the village simply refused to flow. Fear, cold and sharp, gripped every heart in Umuokoro. The harvest was failing, and hunger was on the horizon. While others panicked, Onyebuchi, guided by his mother's wisdom, walked to the village shrine. He knelt before the ancestral altar and confessed. But he didn't confess his own sin. He confessed his brother's, pleading with the spirits for mercy instead of punishment. The spirits, touched by his profound selflessness, listened. They agreed to forgive the land, but they demanded one thing in return: truth. As Onyebuchi left the shrine, the weight of guilt became too much for Onyemaki. He ran to his brother, fell at his feet, and wept, the truth pouring out of him like a flood. In that moment of shame and sorrow, he finally understood. He learned that tomorrow cannot be stolen. It must be earned through honesty and hard work. The land slowly healed. The river began to flow again, and the crops revived. The brothers reconciled, their bond now stronger than ever. Umuokoro prospered once more, their story echoing through the generations as a powerful reminder. Blood may make you brothers, but it is character that truly keeps you together. Thanks for watching. If this story resonated with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tales of wisdom.